हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं शीश पार्क में। तो देखिए पार्किंग की हालत। पार्किंग खोजते खोजते एट लास्ट हम लोग को पार्किंग एक जगह मिला है। तो चलिए वी होप पिछला वीडियो आप लोग एंजॉय किए होंगे। तो ये भी खोरफकान का ही पार्ट है। तो शीश पार्क है जगह का नाम। पार्क के अंदर आपको लेके चलते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं कैसा है क्या है। तो लेट्स गो।
Guys, while the UAE largely features desert landscapes, the country has focused its effort on building beautiful lush green spots. A new attraction for UAE residents and visitors to enjoy is Sheesh Park in Khor Fakkan. Inaugurated in October 2020, this brand new park features amazing outdoor facilities and amenities, perfect for road trips with family or friends during the cooler months. Get a closer look at Sheesh Park. So guys, there is no Sheesh Park entrance fee. Access to this new park in Sharjah is free for all visitors. The Sheesh Park is spread across a massive area of 11,362 square meters, which means there is plenty to do and enjoy at this outdoor destination. This park is situated near Wadi Sheesh in Khor Fakkan, in the outskirts of Sharjah. For residents of Dubai, the park takes approximately an hour and 30 minutes to reach by car. So you can drive down Emirates Road E611 in the direction of Sharjah and take the exit for Khor Fakkan Road. You will need to continue down Khor Fakkan Road for a distance of approximately 70 kilometers before taking the ramp towards the Sheesh area. Then continue straight from the roundabout onto Masafi Road till you reach Sheesh Park. One of the best things to do at the Sheesh Park is to check out this 25 meters high waterfall. Yes, 25 meters high waterfall. This man-made waterfall which cascades into a pretty lake is a beautiful addition to the park and makes for some awesome pictures. And now we are heading towards the mountain walkways. Sheesh Park in Khor Fakkan features 506 meters of mountain walkways. Yes, 506 meters. And paths that visitors can climb and traverse. There are three levels of mountain terraces which lead to the main viewing deck, from where you can enjoy stunning views of the park and surrounding area. So let's go with us and enjoy the beautiful scene from the viewing deck area. We reached at the viewing area. Just look at the down. It's amazingly beautiful. So we are enjoying the scene. Yes, that is the whole park. Overall, the facilities at the park include mountain walkways, artificial waterfall, lake, outdoor theater, viewing area, barbecue area, shaded seating, play area for kids, restaurant or cafe, toilets, and parking. You can see everything from here. There is also an open air theater that can accommodate up to 70 people, so expect to see some fun shows at the park in the future. So guys, there is a designated barbecue area at Shish Park. However, bear in mind that the barbecue pits are limited here and can get quite busy during the weekends. The park also has shaded sitting areas for families and friends to enjoy and a fun outdoor picnic. If you are not in the mood to fire up the grill, there is also a restaurant at Shish Park where you can grab coffee and quick snacks. The shaded sitting areas surrounding a large play area for the little ones. Yes, the beautiful area for our little ones to enjoy for whole day. Kids will love the swings, slides, seesaws and more at Shish Park. Yes, see, my kids are enjoying to the fullest. Yes, they are enjoying. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching our video. And if you like this, please give a like, share with your friends and families, and please subscribe and support us. Till then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.